Hey everyone, let's solve this new question on arrays in JavaScript. Hey guys, I'm a senior software engineer at Amazon and let me help you crack your next coding interview. This time our question is about ant thieves, where they are going to steal some coins from different banks, and when they come out of the bank, like when they were going all together, they met a fictional angel on their way, and then the angel gave them an option that if they want to surrender all of their coins, angel will give them all the coins other thieves are having, but just remember they have to surrender their part of the coins. Otherwise, they can go back with how many coins they have. Now, in simple terms, what we have to do here is you'll be given an integer array of thieves with all their coins, and then you have to return an answer such that the answer will be an array, and then each index will represent the coins of the thieves, and it should be equal to the maximum number of coins a thief can go with. So either they can go with the coins they have, or they can surrender their coins and then they can go with the all of the coins which others are having. So if you see in the current example, first thief is having 1, then 3, 1, 2, 0 and 9. This is the coins which they are having, and then the output will be 15, 13 like this. So let's see for 1, 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9 is 15, while for the ninth one all others sums up 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. This is not greater than 9. So obviously this thief will go with whatever coins they are having. Okay, so the easiest approach to do this is you iterate through each and every input and then check whether apart from this sum is greater than the current number of or not. So for example, for 1 I will iterate through 3 to 9 and then we'll see if the sum, which is 15, is greater than 1 or not. Then I will go to 3 and again I will sum everything from 1 to 9 except 3, and I will see whether the sum is greater than 3 or not. That is one way, which is not a very good way, and then the time complexity you will take there is big O of n square. So instead what we are gonna do here is we'll create two arrays, one which will hold the sum of the left side and one which will hold the sum of the right side. So an array, so let's say on the particular index, let's say 3. So 3 will hold all of the elements sum on the left of it, and the right side sum will hold all of the sum of the elements right to it. So let's create a function. I'll name it as max coins for thief. I will pass coins initialized to an array. Now I'll create an empty array of left sum, and then also I will create an empty array of right sum. Now also I will create one output file which will be max coins. Now what I'll do, I'll create a for loop where I will compute my left sum. So also I'll just make it a constant for thieves so that I know that how many thieves are there, so that I need not to do coins.length every time. So I'll iterate from left to right on this array of coins, and what I will do, my left sum will be equal to, if my current index is greater than 0, then I'll take the previous element, otherwise I'll take 1, and then I will sum it with coins. Similarly, I'll iterate array from the last till the beginning, and I will try to compute same thing. So if my current index is less than the length of the array, then pick the right sum, otherwise pick 0. Oh yeah, here also it should be 0 in the left sum, not 1. Okay, and then sum it with the current value of coins, so which will give me anything which is on the right, and left will give anything on the left. Now it's time to calculate what my max counts will be. So now I'll go in the array from left to right again, and all we are looking to do here is at any point we'll just take the sum of the left element and the right element, which will give us the sum of left and right, that will give us the sum of anything apart from that particular number, and then we will see whether the current number is the maximum one or the left plus right sum is the maximum one. So max coins will be math.max of first my current element, and first I'll pick the left sum with the same manner. If my index is greater than 0, then pick the left sum, otherwise pick 0. Otherwise, and also for the right element, if my index is less than the length of the array, pick the right element, otherwise pick 0. And I will return max coins. Let me also get the output with the example array what we have, 131209, and let me just print this. So after saving this, okay, so here I have to just, because I have to assign it to the ith element. Okay, fine. So here now, cool. So this is the output of this particular example. Here what we did is we computed the left sum, we computed the right sum, and then we identified whether the left and right, the sum of left and right is greater than the current element or not. And this is the solution for this particular problem. So let's quickly talk about the complexity of this solution. So first we'll talk about the time complexity. So we are running single for loops for 3 times. Single means no nested for loop. So which means we are running this solution 3 times of n, which comes up to a big O of n complexity. So our time complexity is big O of n. Now talking about the space complexity, here again our space complexity will also be big O of n, because we are defining 3 arrays of fixed size of our input. So our space complexity will be big O of n, and time complexity will also be big O of n here in this particular solution.